So in episode 1 of Destination Dessert, we hopped across the channel and went to Paris. But in episode 2, we're gonna go bigger. Welcome to New York. The city that never sleeps. The Big Apple. So of course the most important question is, where are we going in New York? And we're going downtown, we're going to the Lower East Side, and the secret to where we're going is hidden in this beautiful iridescent box. Yes, if you haven't guessed, we are going down to Supermoon Bakehouse, one of my favourite places in the city. It's been open for about a year, and their specialty is, of course, the croissant. But they don't just do a croissant, they take a delicious classic croissant and then they turn it into a whole manner of delicious things. And I cannot wait to show you inside this kitchen. And when I say early, I mean like 5:30 in the morning early. So I'm off to the bakery before everything is baked and made. And let's pray they have coffee waiting for me when I get there.
I guess my career has been quite varied, whether it's Australia or France, San Francisco, and eventually it all just kind of came here to New York, where I am now at Supermoon. And before it was I founded a bakery in San Francisco called Mr. Holmes, and yeah, it's just been an interesting journey of different products and different interests in the kitchen. For us, the idea of Supermoon, in as far as the product is concerned, is interesting, innovative, and fun and exciting. Creating something that is traditional at the base and then exaggerating upon that really is just from so many different kitchens that I've worked in, and also just never thinking that that's the only way to do something and that you can find to that. I guess it's just about having freedom in the kitchen, while at the same time understanding and acknowledging the techniques and the traditions of that product. I guess we came to the Lower East Side because we looked everywhere, and there's a certain charm, there's a certain familiarity about the Lower East Side. It's fun, it's young, it's exciting, there's a lot going on, there's a lot always changing. So, and then also just the building itself really stood out to us. It was something that kind of grabbed our interest straight away. For us, it really comes down to the quality of the ingredients we're using, and also respecting those ingredients to get the final product. So if it's croissant, we're going to do the best lamination that we can do. We're going to be getting a butter that is working perfectly for the croissant, and then we're always going to be adapting and trying to evolve and learn and basically just do better every single day, to do what we can and then try and do that better than we've been doing it. So. I mean, people walk in here all the time like, oh, what's your favorite? What should I get? And honestly, I always tell them plain croissant, and sometimes they're not very excited about that. But the reality is that, you know, if that's done well, then everything else should kind of follow. But if that trips up, then the rest is kind of a lie also. You know what I mean? That's very much the cornerstone of the rest of the product. We definitely introduced a few flavours that are perhaps more prevalent in Australia, less here, but these days with social media, it's really hard to, you know, to show someone something for the first time, you know, it's pretty hard. Yeah, these days if people are on their phone, they go to Instagram, they're going to see, you know, everyone knows what Vegemite is, you know, everyone knows what PB&J is, you know. Yeah, the next year is, I guess, taking steps towards a couple of the goals that we couldn't necessarily achieve through the first year, just because there were so many changing, you know, elements and things going on. And now we're kind of in a position that it's more stabilized, and that we can look to expand. You know, whether that be a new store, whether that be through our wholesale. So now's an interesting time of strong growth.